Good morning, students. In the previous class, I explained you different definitions related to algebraic expression and type of algebraic expression, that is monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial and degree of a polynomial. Today I am going to start exercise 5a, in which you will learn how we add or subtract the given algebraic expressions. So here first question is, add the following algebraic expressions. Students, to add the algebraic expressions there are two methods: addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. There are two methods. First is row method and other is column method. In this first question there are 6 parts: A, B, C, D, E, F. Out of these 6 parts, first 3 parts I will explain with row method and column method, both methods, and remaining parts we will do only column method. So see here, in row method what we will do for addition. First I am explaining only for addition. For addition, put a plus sign between the expression. We will take only this line from this point. For addition, put a plus sign between the expressions, then separate the like terms. Write all the positive like terms together, followed by all the negative like terms. Followed means first we will write here, meaning of this point is first we will write all the positive like terms, then we will write all the negative like terms. Then add all the positive like terms as separately and negative like terms separately. Find the difference of the two terms obtained in the previous step. So let us start. Our first question is, add the following algebraic expressions. A part is, first expression is 15x minus 20y plus z. Then here you can see this comma. Then second expression, minus 12x plus 10y minus z. So students, I have copied this question here in my register. So first we will write this expression. See here, we will write this 15x minus 20y plus z, then plus, this is the first expression and this is the second algebraic expression. First we will write first expression, then put plus sign, then minus 12x plus 10y minus z. This is the second expression. Since here in second expression in the starting there is minus sign, so we have used this bracket, otherwise no need. Now write this expression 15x minus 20y plus z. Now out of this bracket there is plus sign, so no sign will change. This second bracket will be written as it is, minus 12x plus 10y minus z. Now what we will do, first we will write the like terms. See here, this is 15x, then its like term is minus 12x. We will write all the like terms together, 15x minus 12x, then this minus 20y and this plus 10y, minus 20y and this plus 10y. This and this is, both these are like terms, then this plus z and minus z. What we have done, again I am repeating. First we will write the first algebraic expression, that is 15x minus 20y plus z, then put plus sign, because in the second expression in the starting there is minus sign, so we need to use a bracket. minus 12x plus 10y minus z, then close the bracket. Now 15x minus 20y plus z, out of this bracket there is plus sign, so no need to change the sign. It will be minus 12x plus 10y minus z. Now write all the like terms together. This is 15x and this is minus 12x. So we will write these two terms together. Then minus 20y plus 10y. These two are like terms, so we will write these two terms together. Then plus z minus z. Clear? Now solve these terms. This 15x minus 12x. We will solve these two terms. 15x is with plus sign and 12x is with minus sign. Both the sign are different, so we will subtract. Subtract 12x from 15x. We will get 3x. Then minus 20y plus 10y. Again these two terms are with different sign. One is negative, other is positive. Again we will subtract. You know students, when two terms are with different sign, terms should be like terms, not unlike terms. So 20y and 10y both are like terms. One is with minus sign, other is with plus sign. So to simplify them, we will subtract the smaller number from the larger number. Larger number is 20, we will subtract 10 from 20, we get 10y. Then what is the sign before the larger number? It is minus. So we will write minus 10y. Now come to this is plus z minus z. This is plus 1z, this is minus 1z. Both the sign are different. We will subtract 1 from 1, we will get 0. Or student, you can understand this thing like this. If two same numbers are with different sign, this is plus z minus z. Both are same and both are with different sign. Then they are cancelled. So answer will be 3x minus 10y. Okay, this is the row method. Now if we want to do the same sum with column method, what we will do? First we will write first algebraic expression simple. 15x minus 20y, then plus z. Then write second expression and we will write the like terms below the like same term. Minus 12x. We will write this minus 12x below this term. This is 15x, this is minus 12x. Both are like terms. Then plus 10y. We will write plus 10y here. Then this minus z here. Now we will solve these three terms. We will start from this side. This is plus 1z, this is minus 1z. Both are same terms with different sign. They are cancelled. Now minus 20y plus 10y. Both are with different sign. So we will subtract this smaller number from the larger one. Then we will get minus 10y because larger number is with minus sign. Then 15x minus 12y. Again these two are with different sign. This is plus and this is minus. Students, if in the starting there is no sign as here, then it is considered plus sign. So this is plus 15x, this is minus 12x. We will subtract this 12 from 15. We will get plus 3x. Answer is 3x minus 10y. Same answer. You will get the same answer. And this is your choice which method you want to use. No compulsion that you have to use row method or you have to use column method. You can use the method which you feel is easy. Okay. Now come to its B part. Its B part is minus 9f plus 4g minus 7gh, 13f plus 3g plus hg, then again comma 2f minus gh plus 5g. First we will do it with row method. So in row method we will write first expression minus 9f plus 4g minus 7gh. Now students, here no negative sign, so no need to use the bracket. We will write simply it plus 13f plus 3g plus hg. Again there is no minus sign. Again we will write it simply plus 2f minus gh plus 5g. Now student, select like terms. This is 19f, this is 13f, this is 2f. So students, among these three like terms, these two are positive. So first we will write positive term. It will be written as not plus 13f, it will be written as simply 13f. We will write it 13f, then plus 2f, then this minus 9f. Clear? Now next, again we will select like term. See, this is 4 plus 4g, then this is plus 3g, then this is plus 5g. These three are like terms, so we will, all three are positively. So we will start from here. We will write it plus 4g plus 3g plus 5g. Clear? Now remaining three terms. This is minus 7gh, this is plus hg. Here students, see, you are noticing that this is gh and this is hg. Both are same, both are like terms. If it is gh and it is hg, no difference between these two. Their literal factor gh and hg are same. Their powers are also same. This is g power 1 h power 1. This is also h power 1 g power 1. If their order is changed, it doesn't matter. Their literal factor should be same. So it is minus 7gh plus hg and minus gh. See here again minus gh. Out of these three terms, it is positive and these two are negative. So first we will write positive. We will write plus hg, then minus 7gh minus gh. In this step, we have written like terms together. Now what we will do? See here. This 13f plus 2f. Then this one and then this one. What we will do? See, 13f plus 2f, 13 plus 2, it will be 15f minus 9f. Then plus 4g plus 3g, 4g plus 3g, 7g, 7g plus 5g, 12g. It is plus 12g. Then see student, this is plus hg and this is minus gh. Same case as we have done here and here. Both the plus hg and minus hg, both the factors are same and their sign are different. Yes, both the factors are same. Both their literal factors h power 1 g power 1 g power 1 h power 1 are same and their difference and their sign are different. So we can cancel them. Plus hg minus gh cancel. Then what is left? Minus 7gh. It is minus 7gh. Now one more line. 15f minus 9f. These are again like terms. 15 minus 9, 6f. It is 6f plus 12g, then minus 7gh. Clear? Now, how can we solve it with column method? First algebraic expression is, see here, I am explaining you with another method also. Minus 9f plus 4g minus 7gh. Then 13f. 13f will be written here plus 3g, then plus hg plus hg. We can write this hg here gh. Then 2f minus, see student, here after 2f it is minus gh. So we will not write minus gh here. We will write below it minus GH. We will write the like terms below the same literal factors. See, this is F, F, F. This is GH, GH, GH. Now what is left? It is left plus 5G. Plus 5G will be written here like this. G, G, G. And we will take the same sign. See here again this algebraic expression. This is 2F. We will write below this 2F. Then this is minus GH. We will write this minus GH below this GH. And it is minus GH, so we will write it minus GH. We will not write it plus. Then plus 5G plus 5G. Now we will solve these three algebraic expressions. Again see here, this is plus GH and this is minus GH. Plus GH minus GH. Different sign, same number. It is 1GH, it is 1GH. Both are cancelled. So what is left? Minus 7GH is left. Now plus 4G plus 3G plus 5G. All three are plus. So all three numbers will be added with plus sign. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 5, 12G. Now here, see student, this is minus 9, this is plus 13, this is plus 2. So if we take first this plus 3 and plus 2, plus 13, not 3, plus 13 plus 2, it will be plus 15. This 15F, it will be plus 15F, and this is minus 9F. So it will be 15 minus 9, 6F with plus sign. So it will be written as plus 6F. Clear? Now come to next C part. C part is, there are three algebraic expression. First is 11AB plus 9A plus AC. Second is 2BA. Here it is AB and here it is BA. Both are same. No difference. Plus 3AC plus 7A. And third expression is minus 8B plus 6AB minus 2A. So 11AB plus 9A plus AC. Students, when you write 9 and A, be careful. When you write in flow or fast, then both looks same. Now plus 2BA plus 3AC plus 7A. Now again in third expression, in starting there is minus sign. See here in second expression, in starting there is plus sign. So we did not use bracket. But in third expression, in starting there is minus sign. So we will write first plus, then within bracket minus 8B plus 6AB plus minus 2A. We have written all these three expressions. Now it will be written as 11AB plus 9A plus AC plus 2. We can write this BA as AB plus 3AC plus 7A. Now this minus 8B plus 6AB minus 2A. Again first we select the like terms. This is 11AB, then this is plus 2AB, then this 6AB. Then it is plus 9A, this is plus 7A, and this is minus 2A. So we will write like terms together. 11AB plus 2AB plus 6AB. 11AB plus 2AB plus 6AB. Then plus 9A plus 7A and minus 2A. Now remaining three terms are again like terms. This is plus AC plus 3AC and this 8b. Students, see here, this is AC in first term, in first expression. This is 3AC in second expression. In third expression, no AC. In third expression, there is no term with AC. So we will write this first plus AC and this plus 3AC. Then write this minus 8B in the last. Clear? This term and this term, AC plus 3AC, these two are like terms and this is different term. So we will write it in the last. Now solve like term. This is 11AB plus 2AB plus 6AB. We will solve these three terms, then these three terms, then these two terms. 11AB plus 2AB plus 6AB. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 6, 19. It will become 19AB. Then plus 9A plus 7A plus 16A minus 2A plus AC plus 3AC. This AC, there is no number. It will be considered as 1. So 1AC plus 3AC. It will become plus 4AC minus 8B. Now 19AB plus 16A. 16A minus 2A. It will become 14A plus 4AC will be written as it is minus 8B will be written as it is. Okay, students. See this in column method. In column method, how we write when extra term is given? First expression is 11AB plus 9A plus AC. Then second expression 2, we will write it AB. It is 2BA, we will write it 2AB plus 3AC. It will written here plus 3AC plus 7A plus 7A. Now minus 8B. There is no term with literal factor B. This is minus 8B. See here, no term with B. So we will write it as a extra term out of this order. We will take it out of this order. Okay. Then plus 6AB. This plus 6AB will written here below this AB. Then minus 2A. Minus 2A below this. This space will remain blank. Now solve it. Minus 8AB will be written as it is. Plus 1AC plus 3AC. It will become plus 4AC plus 9A plus 7A. Plus 9A plus 7A 16A plus 16A minus 2A. It will become plus 14A. This plus 11AB plus 2AB plus 6AB. So 11 and 2, 13. 13 plus 6, 19AB. Clear? This is C part. Come to D part. D part is I am doing only column method. A cube plus 5A square plus 7A plus 4. See here D part. This one is D1. I am writing this one only in column method. Now next second expression is minus A cube plus A square plus 8. Then 3A cube plus 3A and plus 1. This is the D part. So this is plus 4 plus 8 plus 1. All three are positive. We will add 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Here this space is empty. So we will take plus 7A plus 3A. Both are plus sign. We will add 7 plus 3, 10 plus 10A. This is plus 5A square plus 1A square. Both are plus. Again we will add plus 5 and 1, 6A square. Now see here. This is plus A cube. This is minus A cube. Both are same. But sign are different. This is plus and this is minus. As I told you in first A part and B part. they will be cancelled. This is plus a cube, this is minus a cube. Both these two, only these two will be cancelled, and here 3a cube is left. Clear? D हो गया. Now come to E part. In E part, 9a minus 12b plus 15c. Then a minus 8b minus 6c. This is E part. This is plus 15c, this is minus 6c. Two terms are with different sign. When two terms are with different sign, we subtract. Subtract this 6 from 15. We will get plus 9c. When we subtract this 6 from 15, we get 9, and before the larger number it is plus sign, so we will put plus sign. It is plus 9c. Next, minus 12b minus 8b. Students, when both the sign are, two sign are minus minus, we will add the integers. 12 plus 8, 20, but sign will be negative. Always. If two terms or two numbers are with negative sign, अगर दोनों numbers के sign negative हैं, तो हम केवल numbers को plus करते हैं. 12 plus 8, 20, और sign minus ही रहता है. ठीक है? Then 9a, it is plus because there is no sign, and you know if in is starting there is no sign, it will be considered as plus sign. It is plus 9a plus 1a. When there is no number, it will be considered, it will be taken as 1. 9a plus 1a, it is 10a. Last part of this question, F. F is 2x minus 8y minus 14z, then minus 2x minus 8y plus 13z minus 23. Again solve it. Minus 23 will be written as it is. This is minus 14 plus 13. Two numbers are with different signs. So we will subtract the smaller number from the larger one. When we subtract 13 from 14, we get 1. But we know that 1 is not written. So we will write only z. Students, जब माइनस करके 1 आता है तो हमें 1 नहीं लिखना होता, केवल उसका लिटरल फैक्टर लिखना होता है. अगर यहाँ होता है ए बी तो हम लिखते ए बी. अगर यहाँ है जेड स्क्वायर तो हम लिखेंगे जेड स्क्वायर. वी विल नॉट राइट 1. एंड व्हाट इज द साइन बिफोर द लार्जर नंबर? बड़े नंबर से पहले कौन सा साइन है? माइनस. तो हम यहाँ पर माइनस का साइन लगाएंगे. नाउ माइनस 8y एज आई टोल्ड यू हियर अर्लियर जस्ट नाउ. इफ टू नंबर्स आर विद माइनस माइनस साइन, अगर दो नंबर विद माइनस माइनस साइन के साथ में है, तो हम दोनों नंबर्स को तो प्लस कर देते हैं. 16y और साइन हमारा माइनस ही आता है. ठीक है? नाउ प्लस 2x माइनस 2x. बोथ द नंबर्स आर सेम. Numbers are same, literal factors are same, but their sign is different as we did here and in A part and B part also. So these two numbers, these two terms will be cancelled and this is your answer. Okay students. So students, our first question is completed. We have completed all parts of this first question. Its second question we will do in the next class. Okay. Thank you students and have a nice day.